Kajeng lang jaka konhun menteri kebelalong mantakasi ka arpuna tarik nayuang arhajar puar kelarai banbu nyuteli ki border outpost haki jaka kaput jaka mekhlia bar Assam. Kini ki BOP kinan hapo Giant Hill district, Ripoy district bar West Kasur district. Pada pening kini ki nyuteli ki jaka banbu yang dikitampulik ki kentup yang Mukroh bar jaka Langpih.
Was the creation of different outposts in different sensitive locations of the state along the border areas. And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Gente Hills in Muriap, in West Gente Hills in Mukroh and kiwei, BOP number 3. This is in West Gente Hills. In Riboy, in Rani Jirang, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Umwali, number 2 in Lejadubi, and number 3 in Langpih. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athyabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patarkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kirshai, and number 2 in Kirshai, and for outpost will also be upgraded. So these were the different locations where the BOPs have been sanctioned, and we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations and required infrastructure also be created at the earliest. Apart from that, there were some other areas, especially in Riboy district, bordering Block 2, and there were suggestions that had come up, but we had to double check with the entire local communities also, and at the same time we had to double check with the sensitivities of the areas to ensure that we are able to get the correct locations. And hence, though the proposals came in, we have asked the DGP to make a visit to those areas and come back with a proposal, especially in the border area with the areas of differences in Block 2 area, which is mainly falling under Riboy district. So Riboy also, we will come out with a second list soon, and that will be done after more detailed study is done of the Riboy area. So these are the major decisions that were made today.
Kemudian ba ulang ru bakini ki BOP kina habet apa usam jaka mekhlia.
Areas which are going to be very much in locations which already are having police presence and force from our side. So it's like an upgradation in one way. And number 3, for example, in Langpih, there is a BOP from the side of Assam, just opposite ours. But ours is an ADC right now. There's an anti-dacoity camp. So we're just upgrading that and making it in parallel at the same level of what Assam has and theirs in the area of difference on their side. And we are also just making it the same and having a BOP. So we don't expect that there will be any issue, but if there are any concerns from Assam, then definitely we'll speak to them and we'll try to resolve those issues, explaining to them that at this point in time, the people have to feel confident and have to feel that they are safe, and hence these measures are required to bring back a sense of normalcy and to make people feel confident and safe in their own villages, and that's the reason why we're doing it.
So many political